There's the order book. You can actually see the volume of orders that's there, where the liquidity is. Still arguing with everybody, all the ICT boys that say, people commented on a couple of my last posts, Bookmap's useless, liquidity is above highs and lows, and you don't need Bookmap, and ICT debunked Bookmap, or order flow is just spoofing and confusing, and I know where liquidity is. And my argument is, you might guess where liquidity is, you might even do that with some accuracy, but I can tell you where liquidity is if we're talking about at what price level orders are sitting on the market, and in what volume and in what time. There's tools like Bookmap. Bookmap's not the only one. There's plenty of other order flow tools that you could use. There's traditional depth of market order book charts through your brokers. You don't need Bookmap. You could use something else. But if you're not using any order flow and or volume, and you're just using a traditional candlestick chart, you can't tell me with any reasonable degree of certainty where liquidity is. In my not even an opinion. I don't think you can. Not when there's a tool that tells you where it is. That's just my gripe with everybody that's been commenting on my stuff, telling me I'm wrong, or making really blatant statements about the exact places of where liquidity is without using any form of order flow. I'm not saying it has to be Bookmap, but are you using a tool or something that shows you where the liquidity is on the instrument that you're trading, at what price level and at what quantity and at what time? If you're not, and you're just using historical price and time, again, you can guess it, and maybe you guess it with some decent accuracy, and maybe you've cross-compared it to order flow in the past, and you're okay with that. But that's what you're doing. You're assuming that. And there's tools out there that show you where it is. So that's my 2 cents there. Again, not making the argument that order flow is necessary, or that order flow will even help you more than it hurts you. I don't know that it will or won't. You might not need it at all. You might just need your market structure and price action. There's not a lot of things in trading that are black and white, or incorrect or correct. Most of it is not. Almost all of it's not. It's gray area. But when it comes to discussing market mechanics and specific components in trading from a technical standpoint, there are things that are correct and incorrect. Like if I say price right now on ES is trading at 56.42, it's not. It's trading at 56.52. We have that information. Everybody has that information. That's something that would be right or wrong.